Now I request Head of the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Dr. M. Venugopal Rao, to command the dais along with his team, R. Bhanu Raghava Prakash, Shabir Ahmad, P. Santosh Tej, and N. Venkateswarlu to receive the felicitations. Next, the Mighty Mechanical, team led by Dr. K. Ramakotaya and his placement coordinator B. Srikar Reddy, K. Someshwar Rao, S. N. Patil, T. Poliraju to come and have the felicitation. Now I request Dr. K. Ramesh, Head of the Department of Civil Engineering, along with his placement coordinator, Dr. K. Rajashekar Reddy, to come on to the dais to receive the felicitation. May I now request Head of the Department of Biotechnology, Dr. K. Srinivasulu, along with his placement coordinator, M. Maheshwar Reddy, to come on to the dais to receive the felicitation. It is said a manager only can create the manager. Dr. M. Kishore Babu, Head of the Department of MBA, along with his placement coordinator, Mr. Niranjan, to come on to the dais to receive the felicitation. I request Dr. A.V.S. Murthy, Head of the Department of Bachelor of Commerce, along with his coordinator, Mr. Subramaniam, to come and receive the felicitation. director in giving a successful training during the summer for all the students who got the placements now to come on to the dais to receive the felicitation. Along with Dr. M. Lata, who is instrumental again in giving a successful training for the students during the summer and after the summer. I request Dr. Lalita Madam to please join the hands in felicitating Asha Jyoti Madam and Lata Madam. I request Dr. Y.V. Hanumat Rao, Director Practice School, to come and get the felicitation from the dignitaries. The heads of the FED are now requested to come on to the dais along with their director, Dr. V. Srikanth. I call upon Dr. K.R.S. Prasad, Dr. V. Vasantakumar, Professor T. Ravikumar, Dr. K. Vijay Kumar to come on to the dais to receive the felicitation.
Feel proud that I am a member in a family of 13,000 people of KL University. I am not alone. I am a member of 13,000 people of family of KL University. When it comes to this, if I can speak these words, who are behind this? I fail in my duty if I won't thank the backbone of me, my faculty, my management, in particular CSS department and our CSC department, and also the 4 people of IRP department who stood, who fought and bought almost 83 plus companies and 1600 offers to all my friends. And this is a day where I even want to speak more and more because I see my friends who are suffering outside without having a placement, even one placement in their hand. When companies are coming to our doorstep, and I can say that KL University can also be stated that it is Koneru Lakshmi University, but I can say that knowledge leadership university, because that is the thing which I want to say it again. It is not only knowledge, leaders are made in KL University. I am one among that, I can say that, if I am speaking today. And more, if you say students, I want every junior here, all the first, second, third years, I just want to give you one thing. I just want to give you one thing again. What I have missed, you should not miss. What I have missed, you should not miss. Please blindly follow the system of KL University. Then it will be a path to reach your goal simply. Once again, I repeat it, please blindly follow the system of KL University, because the intellectual minds are there behind it. All the 675 intellectual brains are there behind the system. So never have a thought in your brain to question the system. And second thing, all my third years on the next success meet in 2016, I want to see that everyone will be having 4 offer letters with everyone. When an opportunity is coming to your hand, you should just do only 2 things. First thing, be committed. Second thing, blindly follow the system. You will have 4 offer letters in your hand. Please note it down to your heart. And at last, since we are running short of time, I want to speak more. I want to share my mother's experience. Today guys, I want to share my mother's experience. Even if I give her thousands of crores, she won't give me this comment. On the day when I got 3 placements, when I called my mother and said, "Arey, naaku 58 సంవత్సరాలు వచ్చాయనా 2 గంటలు ఎక్కువసేపు నిద్రపోయాను ఎన్నో సంవత్సరాలైంది నిద్రపోయి అని చెప్పారండి మా మదర్. My mother said, "I have slept 2 hours more after listening this news." Guys, what is not there in KL University? Please say me. We have a supercomputer. We have an entrepreneurship cell. We have 675 faculty. We have incubation center. What not we have in KL University? Only one thing which is missing. Brother and sisters, I am saying it out of the pain I am saying. Because which I have lost, you should not lose it. Everything is there in KL University. Name any IIT, name any BITS Pilani. We have everything in KL University. One thing which is missing is you are not connected to the system. That's it. If you are part of the system, you will be somewhere. Guys, you will be somewhere. We can see our alumni today who have been on stage. We have witnessed it. Guys, lastly I want to say 2 things. There are 2 people in the society. One are leaders, other are laborers. One are leaders, other are laborers. Laborers do what leaders think. Guys, are you with me? Laborers do what leaders think. I want every one of the KL University to be entrepreneurs or leaders of the world. And as our VC sir says, within 2020 or 2025, our rupee value should be how much, guys? How much, guys? How much? Anyone? 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 It should be topsy-turvy. Once again, I conclude it. I am very happy today and I fail in my duty if I won't thank Infosys, Cognizant, Wipro and all the other companies who made this milestone to happen. I thank you one and all for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. In my first year, when a faculty asked me to introduce myself, I had Butler English, and I had few comments from my friends. If I would skip there itself, I would not see the inner person with me, sir. It's because of KL University, sir. It's because of KL University. Thanks a lot, sir.
No, I just made in the beginning itself my stage, and I told you today, I really am more happy than if I got even 1,000 crores, I would not have been this much happy. I'm really happy. I know the effort I always enjoy. See, I tell many people, whomever I meet, see, when the parents and when students, when somebody from society, they come and say the KL University is doing well and the student is doing well, I'm doing well. So I got this job, I settled here. Whenever I go outside, even to the Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi or US, anywhere, students, they do come to me and say, I got settled so much because of KLC and all. So I get so much satisfaction. I really work almost 18 hours even today at this age to get that satisfaction, because I get a lot of satisfaction. It is not mere money. Definitely all of you will also realize this at a part of you after some time in your life. Definitely satisfaction is more important. So I get that kind of satisfaction when my students do well. when KL University will do well. I work, that is my selfishness. My selfishness is my satisfaction. So I work for that satisfaction. I am very, very happy today to see my students in flying colors with this 100% placement. Anyway, I congratulate all the students once again. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Conclude about us, sir. I'll tell you in short. ఒకటి బ్రెయిన్లో ఒక సినిమా రన్ అవుతుందండి. సినిమా హాల్కి వెళ్తే పీవీపీ లేకపోతే పీవీఆర్ మాల్కి వెళ్తే ఒకేసారి 7 సినిమాలు రన్ అవుతాయి. అలా మన సార్ బ్రెయిన్లో ఒకేసారి 7 డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ ప్లస్ 1 BBA ప్లస్ ఫ్రెష్మన్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఇలా అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటివ్ అన్ని అంటే కొన్ని ఒక 23 to 24 సినిమాలు ఒకేసారి సార్ బ్రెయిన్లో రన్ అవుతూనే ఉంటాయి. ప్రతి దానికి ఆయన ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఇచ్చుకుంటున్నాం. దట్ ఈస్ వై స్టిల్ వీఆర్ రన్నింగ్ ఇట్ ఫర్ ద లాస్ట్ 30 years. And thank you for giving me so.